How to start trading in 2027. Student Forex Trading Roadmap. If you are a student in high school, college, or university and you are thinking about making money from Forex trading in 2027, then this video is for you. My name is Mohammed Azim and I am a certified Elliott Wave analyst. My website is readyforex.com, online since year 2006, and I have 2 decades of forex trading experience. Maybe you have seen people making money from Forex on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or other social media platforms. You may be thinking, can I start Forex trading as a student? How much money do I need? Do I need a lot of experience? And what should I learn first? The answer is yes, you can learn forex trading as a student, but there is something very important you need to understand. You cannot start trading from zero. Forex trading does not work that way. Before you put your money into the currency market, you need to invest time and money into developing your trading skills. So in this video, I am going to give you a simple roadmap for starting your Forex trading journey in 2027. Step number one. Learn the basics of Forex trading. The first step is simple. Learn the basics. Before opening a Forex trading account, you need to understand what Forex actually is. You should know what currency pairs are. What is Euro USD? What is GBP USD? What is USD JPY? You should understand base currency and quote currency. You should understand pips. You should understand spread. You should understand leverage. You should understand margin. You should understand lot size. And most importantly, you need to understand how profit and loss are calculated. Do not start trading simply because someone told you that Forex is an easy way to make money. Forex is a financial market. You need to understand how it works before you risk your money. Step number two, learn how to read Forex charts. Once you understand the basics, your next step is learning how to read charts. You need to understand price movement. Learn candlestick charts, learn support and resistance, learn how to draw proper trend lines, learn sideways market, learn about breakouts and market structure. You should be able to look at a forex chart and understand what the price action is doing. At this stage, your goal is not to make money. Your goal is to develop your ability to read the forex market. Step number three, learn technical analysis. The next step is technical analysis. You need a method for analyzing the forex market. There are many different approaches. Some traders use indicators, some traders use price action, some traders use support and resistance, and some use moving averages. Some traders use Fibonacci and Elliott wave patterns. There are many different approaches, but you need to learn everything. Step number four, choose one trading method. You need to find a trading method that makes sense to you and learn it properly. Do not jump from one strategy to another every few days. That is one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. They watch one YouTube video, they learn one trading strategy, they lose a few trades, then they search for another trading strategy, and the cycle continues. Instead, choose one trading method and spend enough time learning it. Step number five, learn money management. This is one of the most important steps. You can have a good trading strategy and still lose money if you do not understand money management. You need to understand risk. How much money should you risk on one trade? Where should your stop loss be? How much should you potentially make compared with how much you are risking? What happens if you lose 5 trades in a row? What happens if you lose 10 trades in a row? Same goes with the profit side. What happens if you win 10 trades in a row? You need to understand these things before trading with real money. Remember, your first job as a trader is not to make money. Your first job is to protect your trading capital. Step number 6, learn trading psychology. This is another major part of becoming a trader. Trading is not only about price charts, trading is also about psychology. You may have a winning trade and become overconfident. You may have a losing trade and become angry. You may try to recover your loss immediately. You may increase your lot size. You may enter trades that you should not enter. This is emotional trading, and emotional trading can destroy a trading account very quickly. You need discipline and patience. You need to follow your trading plan. You need to accept that losing trades are part of the trading business. No trading method wins each and every single trade. Step number 7, practice before using serious money. Once you have learned the basics, technical analysis, money management, and trading psychology, practice. Do not immediately put a large amount of money into a live trading account. Practice your method, study historical charts, backtest your trading strategy. Use a demo trading account if appropriate. Keep a trading journal, write down why you entered a trade, write down where your stop loss was, write down your target, then review your trades. You need to find out whether you can actually follow your trading method consistently. Step number 8, build your financial foundation. This step is especially important for students. You may not have much money, that is completely understandable, but you should not try to solve the problem by taking unnecessary risks. Do not borrow money to trade. Do not use money that you need for your education, food, rent, or other important expenses. If you do not have enough money to trade, you have other option. Build your capital first, get a job, learn another skill, do freelance work, start a small business, save money. Then use part of that money to invest in your forex education and trading development. Step number 9, start small and focus on learning. Once you have learned your trading method, practiced it, and build an appropriate financial foundation, you can consider starting with a small live account. But understand something very clearly. A small account is for learning how to trade with real money and real emotions. It is not a machine for creating a large income. If you have $500, do not expect to turn that into a $5,000 every month. That is not a realistic expectation. Your goal should be to develop your trading skills. As your trading skills improve, your experience in forex market improves. If your trading capital grows over time, your potential dollar profit can also grow. But you should never confuse trading with easy money. Start small, manage your risk, focus on learning, and focus on consistency. Give yourself time to improve. Step number 10, keep learning and improving. Becoming a forex trader is not something you accomplish in a few weeks or a few months. The market will continue to change, your skills need to continue to develop, and your job is to stay focused, stay disciplined, and stay consistent. Follow your trading plan and manage your risk. Keep your emotions out of your trades and learn from every trade you take. Next, review your performance and identify your mistakes. You do not need to become a perfect trader. You need to become a better trader over time. Small improvements in your trading can create significant results over the long term. So remember, stay focused, stay disciplined, and stay consistent. Most importantly, stay in the game. And remember one final thing, do not make forex trading your first source of income. If you are a student and you currently have no money, your first objective should be to develop a valuable skill that can generate income. Use that skill to earn money, build an income, save some of that income, build your financial foundation, then invest in yourself, learn forex trading properly, and build your trading capital. So focus on building yourself first. Money will follow your value. Preparation today can create greater freedom tomorrow. So do not rush. Build your foundation first. Invest in yourself and trade for freedom, not for survival. If you are serious about learning forex trading, do not look for shortcuts. Do not look for a magical indicator. Do not look for a secret trading strategy. And do not believe anyone who tells you that you can become a successful trader without learning. There are no shortcuts. Learn first, practice second, trade third. Learn the market, build your knowledge, practice your strategies, test your skills, and only then start trading with real money. If you want to learn forex trading through a step-by-step forex training program, visit readyforex.com and look at the forex trading courses and online training programs I offer. I have been involved in forex trading for around 20 years, but my goal is not to tell you that forex is easy. My goal is to help you understand the forex market and develop your trading skills. And remember, you do not need to become a trader tomorrow. You need to become a better trader step by step. So, if you are a student starting your forex journey in 2027, follow this path. Start with education, build your skills, build your financial foundation, build your trading capital, and then build your trading career. Learn today, build your skills, create freedom, live your dream. Good luck with your forex trading journey. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. For more forex trading information, visit readyforex.com.